Hindi ako mother material kasi like ko nga sinasabi kay Direk, lahat ng mga circle of friends ko, ako yung bunso, ako yung baby nila, tapos dito ako yung mother. Iba yung emosyon dito, heartfelt, and iba yung hugot nitong pelikulang ito. Especially for me as a trans woman.
First time watching?
Yes, yes, yes.
And ano po yung reaction nyo na you've seen the final product?
Naiyak ako kasi parang nanumbalik sa akin yung mga pinagagawa namin sa film. And trivia lang, hindi ako marunong mag-drive, pero pinilit kong matutong mag-drive for this movie because I had to drive the van. So, nag-driving lessons ako like 4 days before the shoot. Ganon. Yung takot ko doon, totoo. Kasi baka mabangga ko yung van. So, ako talaga nag-drive. Hindi ako mother material kasi like ko nga sinasabi kay Direk, lahat ng mga circle of friends ko, ako yung bunso, ako yung baby nila, tapos dito ako yung mother. So I had to, of course, study yung pagiging nanay and matutunan yon. And I'm happy nung napanood ko, parang genuine naman yung pagiging ate ko at saka nanay ko sa kanila. So I was overwhelmed kung paano siya naipakita sa big screen. We have chosen families. We may not be related by blood, hindi man tayo talagang relatives, but pwede nating alagaan ang isa't isa, especially in the queer community. Napaka-importante ng family that you chose for yourself. Sobrang grabe yung bonding namin ni Lance dito sa pelikulang ito. Alam mo, sisters for life. And I've never imagined na ganun yung mapapakita sa screen. Kasi tawanan lang kami ng tawanan kapag nagsushoot, ganun. So, we really helped each other in terms of executing every sequence of the movie. This is my first Cinemalaya and I'm very honored to be a part of this festival. This is the most prestigious independent film festival in the Philippines and being part of it is, such a milestone in my career.
Would you say that ito na po yung hardest acting role?
Feeling ko, kasi yung Here Comes the Groom, medyo light siya Although nahihirapan din ako doon kasi lalaki yung role ko, nag-soul swap kami ni Enchong. But this one is, iba yung emosyon dito, heartfelt, and iba yung hugot nitong pelikulang ito. Especially for me as a trans woman. Ay naku mga trans babies, mga nakshi, huwag kayo matakot, may mga magmamahal sa inyo. And just be true to yourself and always remember that being you is your greatest power.